Children and social media in India. India is relying on a patchwork of laws and platform-led measures to protect children on social media. Risks include exposure to harmful content, online grooming, and cybercrime. The Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023 mandates parental consent before platforms can process children's data. The IT Act and POSCO Act provide additional criminal provisions. Platforms are also using age-gating parental controls and child-focused content ecosystem. The government is considering a graded approach to regulate children access to social media. However, experts warn that enforcement gaps, technological loopholes, and easy age misrepresentation continue to undermine these safeguards. Risk for children in the online space. Exposure to harmful content. Increased screen time exposes children to inappropriate and harmful content. This can negatively impact mental health, leading to anxiety, stress, and social isolation. Threat of online grooming. Children are vulnerable to online grooming where predators exploit them through digital platforms. This poses serious risk to their safety and well-being. Rising cybercrime against children. NCRB data shows a 32% increase in cybercrimes against children 2021-22 indicates growing threat as more children engage online. Increasing internet uses among children. A Niti Aayog report reveals the following. Average daily online uses among Indian children in 2023 up to 5 years 1.5 hour daily educational content, games 6 to 10 years 2.5 hours, social media gaming videos 11 to 15 years 4 hours daily, 16 to 18 years 6 hours daily. As screen time rises sharply with age, so does exposure to unregulated content and online risk. The data underscores the urgency of stronger child safety frameworks in India's digital space. India's regulatory framework for children on the internet. India has developed a multi-layered framework combining legislation, platform regulation, and educational initiative to protect children online. However, critics note that enforcement remains inconsistent. Data protection. Under the Digital Personal Data Protection Act 2023, companies collecting data of users under 18 must obtain parental or guardian consent. Platforms are also prohibited from tracking or monitoring children's behavior and serving them targeted advertisement. A key concern, however, is that children can easily bypass these protections by misrepresenting their age. Laws against online exploitation. Key laws addressing child safety online include Information Technology Act 2000 criminalizes the creation of child sexual abuse material. POCSO Act 2012 defines and penalizes online sexual exploitation and grooming. Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023 extends liability to digital offences including trafficking and harassment of children. Juvenile Justice Act 2015 addresses online facilitation of child exploitation. However, there are persistent weaknesses in digital forensic capacity, law enforcement training, and the uneven functioning of special POCSO courts, all of which limit the effective investigation and prosecution of offences. Content classification and parental controls. Under the IT Intermediary Guidelines and Digital Media Ethics Code Rules 2021, OTT platforms must classify their content into 5 age-based categories: U/A7 plus, U/A13 plus, U/A16 plus, and A. Mandatory measures include parental locks, U/A13 plus and above, age verification, adult content, screen time, and digital wellness in education. The Ministry of Education introduced the Pragyata guidelines in July 2020, recommended age-appropriate screen time limits for students. The guidelines aim to safeguard both the safety and academic welfare of children in a digital learning environment. Age-gating measures by social media platforms. Several major social media and tech platforms have introduced age-gating measures and child safety tools, though their effectiveness remains a subject of debate. Google's parental control system. Minimum age to create a Google account in India is 13 years. For children below 13, parents can use Family Link to monitor activity, block inappropriate content, approve app downloads, and manage permissions. At 13, children can manage their accounts independently through parents are notified if supervision ends. Instagram's teen safety features. Instagram offers teen accounts with built-in protections. Users under 16 require parental approval to relax safety settings, aims to provide a safer default environment for young users. Child-focused platforms. Platforms like YouTube Kids provide a controlled content environment. Parents can customize content based on the child's age, Instagram had planned a kids-only app, but development was paused in 2021. Limitations and criticism. These measures are not fully effective. Studies suggest many safety tools can be easily bypassed or ineffective. Platform dispute such findings, but concerns about real world effectiveness remain.